Somebody remind me where I...
Hey guys! First of all, thank you so much for all the support and all of your suggestions, comments, and everything like that. And since we are very grateful to all of you, we would like to get back. So we will be doing a giveaway. Yes, a giveaway. You heard that right. You will get this cute 24 makeup brush set. It features professional grade brushes and it also comes with this vegan leather case. It also has everything you need: foundation brush, powder brush, eyeshadow brush, even lip brush, and many more. So, you must be wondering, how can you win this cute set, right? It's very simple. Simply subscribe to our channel, follow our social media, and then tell us which guru you want to see next in Guru Reacts and which look they should replicate. And just comment that down below in this video. Easy, right? The winner will be picked randomly by using a generator, so all is fair. The giveaway starts now and ends on July 31st. Now, you got lots of time here, but do it right now. And that's everything for us today. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and follow. We love all of you, we appreciate all of you, and stay connected. Learn, share, connect. Bye-bye!
I'm not sure.